Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to reset Mozilla Firefox to factory defaults. Reset Mozilla Firefox to factory defaults. Like with Chrome, Mozilla Firefox reset will remove all customization and the browser cache while keeping personal data such as passwords and bookmarks intact. Again, it's best to sync personal data to your Firefox account so that you don't leave anything to chance. Number 1, open the Firefox menu, select 3 dots, stacked lines at the right corner of the address bar and select help. Select more troubleshooting information. Select refresh Firefox. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.